Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Wednesday, December 24, 2025. I will be trading PLTR, ticker PLTR on the 1 minute chart. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The green line is the low of yesterday, and the red one is the high of yesterday. This will be my entry, going bearish if it comes and trigger me. Maybe that was the entry. But maybe I put my entry in the wrong place. If this bar closes right here, breaking this wedge, I'm going bearish. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Because it's 10:30 and the market isn't doing anything because of the holiday. So this is ridiculous. I got in this trade probably like what? 9:15. It's like an hour and 15 minutes. It's just ridiculous. I'm just at this point, I just want to preserve my capital. So I went bearish here because of the pattern they gave me. I wanted to go bearish here, but never came to trigger me in. I was a little upset, but then I said, well, if it gives me another pattern, which he gave me this wedge here, this bearish wedge. I got in here. It went like halfway to my target, went back, chop, touch here. Almost went to my target, went halfway, it's just chopping here. This is ridiculous. So I'm not gonna waste a trade on this in the market situation. I have to be able to identify what's happening with the market because of the holidays. So it's Christmas week and today is Christmas Eve. So it's not gonna move that much. So I'm at least protecting my gains for the month, for the week. I put my stop here, my target's here. If it comes and stop me out, fine. If it comes to my target, great. But otherwise, I'm at least protecting my capital because it's not doing anything. I thought it was gonna hit my target when it was come here. It went halfway, but then went all the way back, put this wedge here, broke it, and it's not following up with the pattern because, you know, it's not a lot of people trading because I said before, like Palantir is very volatile, but because of the Christmas week, it's not going to move that much. It's already 10:30 and the market closes at noon today, so it's going to be even worse. So at this point, I'm protecting my capital, and I think that's very important in trading. It's not just about making money, it's just about identify what's happening with the market and make a different protocol for those situations. And I want to see if it stopped me out. Probably will, because it's keeping chopping this area. It might stop me out and just go to the target. I don't care. Like I said, at this point, I'm just preserving my capital. I just live here to see what happens. But I just don't want to waste this trade in a day that it's not doing anything. It had the chance to do something when it broke the wedge, and it didn't follow through. And so at this point, I'm just like, whatever. All right. So it stopped me out. So as a recap, today's lessons was just about preserving your capital because of market condition, because of the holiday. So when I entered the trade, nothing followed through. So I was in this trade more like almost 2 hours in this trade. And then, it was an hour and 15 when I moved the stop to protect my capital because it keeps going back and forth and chopping here. That's exactly what I done. So that was the day trade for today. Nothing happened. But at least I put my stop to break even. And it was like it doesn't matter because I didn't lose money. And that was the idea, to move my stop to preserve my capital. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.